Hello, my name is Paisley.
My name is Amelia.
My name is Brantley.
My name is Will.
Today is Friday, October 31st, 2025, and this is the Halloween edition of What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, picture retakes are Thursday, November 6th. The mobile dental clinic will also be here on Thursday, November 6th.
Pre-K did some fun Halloween-themed number activities this week. They made a witch's brew by counting different items. Then they found numbers with zombie fingers.
Kindergarten went on a leaf hunt and they did a leaf investigation. They found out leaves can be different sizes, shapes, and colors. Some have smooth edges and some have pointy edges. They had a great time using their magnifying glasses to investigate their leaves.
Second grade continued their unit on bats by reading Stella Luna and writing bat research papers. Did you know that bats live on every continent except Antarctica?
The third graders have been super busy this week. They took iLearn Checkpoint 1 reading and math. They have been dressing up for Red Ribbon Week, working on simple machines, and looking forward to Halloween.
Fourth grade finished up their PLTW Earth, Human Impact, and Natural Disasters module this week. We made natural disaster posters and created an emergency kit slideshow presentation. We are very excited to move on to our next module next week. I wonder what it will be.
Miss Lux's class received their first pictures of their new adopted calf, Wilma. She will be pictured outside of Miss Lux's door for anyone who wants to follow along with her growth. She is currently 71 pounds and 20 inches tall. Welcome to the Bulldogs family, Wilma.
In library, we read How Do Dinosaurs Say Trick or Treat with kindergarten. We also started a new book with first grade called Junie B. Jones and the Monster Under My Bed. After reading our story, we had to take a little time for a dance party.
To remember, order forms went home with students this week. Each student created an artwork that can be printed on items like coffee mugs, keychains, magnets, and so much more. Students, make sure to share your flyer with your parents.
Since last week was book fair in computer science, we got to explore and build with our STEM bins. There were so many great inventors.
In Friday's STEM classes, they were working on shortening and organizing. These are skills not only for STEAM, but they will also help with math, reading, and writing.
After school activities, Club Invention started this week. Students did activities to experiment with echolocation. They were tasked to invent something to help protect bats from human impact. This was also the first week for the second grade robotics team. They had so much fun putting together the robot and learning how to drive the complete robot. The third through fourth grade robotics team also worked hard to complete their second robot. They are really getting good at driving and making modifications to the robot to score more points.
From the Bulldog Cafe, new mystery item for November, Cheetos Fantastics. Ranch flavored, they will be $1. Go home and clean the garage and earn some extra money. Breakfast and lunch are free this year.
Here is a message from Mrs. Tier.
We've got 3 positive office referrals from pre-K this week. The first one goes to Rayanne, Allie, and Oakley. So congrats to you 3. They all have been working very hard and we're excited to continue to watch them grow. And we have Colton in Mrs. Dragonette's room, and he was recognized by Ms. Hutchings for introducing his grandma to teachers and staff members on Grandparents' Night. Showed respect for others and wonderful manners. Good job, Colton. And the 4 of you may come up to the office after announcements for your book.
Joke of the week. What does a skeleton order at restaurants?
I don't know. What does it for?
Spare ribs. Ha 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 ha.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Berkland STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye!
Hi.